Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm gonna be doing a little video that just happened to get all over the place. There's like kids freaking talking in the background and me talking about who knows what. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my quarantine beauty makeup tutorial, whatever the hell you want to call it. It's super simple. I don't do much because I'm in the house. I don't have nowhere to go. But I also wear this if I have to go run errands, which is rare right now, because I don't want to take my kids out. So I kind of stay home with my kids. I dress bummy. I have my hair up in a bun, and this is what I look like every day. Sometimes, not all the time, I do my makeup. So if you guys want to hear me talk about nonsense and see me do my makeup, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already moisturized my face and everything, so I just applied some of this primer. This is the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. It's the blur and pore minimizer one. I really like it. So while that's sitting, it's already starting to dry up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm gonna be taking the Anastasia brow brush. It's all bent and stuff. And this is the Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. And I need to put some oil or something in it because it is getting dry. To clean up my brows, I use this foundation. The foundation was too light for me, so I use it for my brows, and I just use this little flat brush. I need to get a better brush. Put it on my hand like that. Oh, I have hella on my thing, so I'm gonna just use it as primer because I use it as primer anyway. So I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara. I usually use another brow mascara that I got in an Ipsy bag, but this was the first one I grabbed, so I'm just gonna use that. Foundation that we're gonna be using is a new one that I just got, and I'm so excited because it's my first Tarte foundation. This is the Tarte Shape Tape foundation, the hydrating one. This is in light medium beige. I still think it's not my color. I bought it off of somebody on Mercari because it was brand new. But we gonna work with what we got because I didn't pay $20 for this for nothing. And it's brand new. It's still full. I've only used it like once or twice. It's still so clean up here. Like, that's how you know it's brand new. So yeah, we're just gonna.
What are you warming up for? Stuff. What sort of stuff? Super cool stuff you wouldn't understand. Like sleeping?
That's yep. Gonna take my beauty blender, which I need another one because this is hella dirty, and I'm gonna just blend out my foundation. So for concealer, I'm gonna be taking this Kokie Professional Be Bright concealer. It's the illuminating concealer, and this is in the shade Light. I got it in an Ipsy bag, and I'm gonna be mixing that with this one because this is not really my shade for concealer, but this is more. And I'm running out, but this lasted me a minute. This is a sample size. This is the only places I really do. I don't really do anywhere else. Kat Von D translucent powder. Yes, it's a sample size. I get a lot of sample size because I can't afford the big ones. But I got this for a birthday thing from Sephora, the free birthday gift. And I'm only applying a little bit because I don't want it to be super baked. And then we're just gonna okay. Gingerbread extra spicy palette. I am in love with this palette because it smells so good. It smells like cookies and brownies. Oh my god, bro. How do they get it to smell like that? Do they really put like just the scents of stuff in there? Because that's crazy. Like, I can legit eat this palette, but I won't because I know that you can't do that. What I'm going to be doing is the vanilla wafer, which is just this little white color right here. I'm going to take a flat brush and just put that all over my lid. So then I'm going to be taking this little brush. Yes, it looks green, but it was actually white. I used it for a green look that I did. And now it's stained. And I've washed it like 5 times and it doesn't want to come out. So we're going to take for the gram. It's like this little brown color. It has a little bit of glitter in it. And we're just going to lightly put it into our lid. You don't want to make it hella dark. You want it to look like natural. That's about what I do for the eyes. I take a little bit of the vanilla wafer and put that under my brow bone a little bit more. So now my kids are playing, so I'm sorry if you hear them even more in the background. Okay, so that's it for the eyes. For the eyes, I don't really wear lashes. I kind of just do more mascara. But you know what? We'll do some lashes today. I'll go get my most natural looking lashes. Alright, so I got my duo lash glue and I got these lashes. So there's a little story behind them. So these are one of the lashes that I am going to be coming out with on my lash brand. Yeah, I'm coming out with a lash brand. I had 3 styles right now. This is one of the styles. But I'm gonna link my page's Instagram down below in the description so you guys can follow it. We're gonna be dropping real soon. I'm just waiting for a little bit more product to come in, and you guys, the lashes are popping. I've been wearing these for like a few months now because I've been working on this for a few months. And yeah, so make sure you guys go follow and purchase when I drop them. And yeah, so this is what the lashes look like on. I gotta clean them a little bit because I have mascara on them. But yeah, they're hella cute. They're super light too. They're not heavy. You can see there are some lashes that I have, like I bought from people, and I can't see in them. Like they, I don't know how to explain it. I can't see. So what we're gonna go do now is we're gonna lightly bronze. I don't really do a lot of bronzer anyway. Oh, this is the Hoola. This is the Hoola Benefit, and yes, it is a sample size. I got it for Christmas.
About that, I was thinking that maybe we could move the date of the heist.
Please tell me this is not as a result of the girl's dance recital, is it?
No, no, no!
My neck looks so horrible because it doesn't match at all, but that's okay. It's okay. Let's dust this off. And okay, I'm not a big blush person, or no, actually, sorry. So we're gonna take this other MAC bronzer. Next, I'm gonna take my setting spray. So this is a hemp setting spray. It's hemp seed oil. And now for lips, I'm very natural on the lips, but I got a new lip gloss from a new little page on Instagram I found. Forgive me if I'm saying it wrong, but I believe they're called Opulence Beauty or Opulence. I had the card here somewhere and it just disappeared, but I got their clear gloss with little Playboy bunnies inside, and this is called Bad Bunny. And yeah, when I tell you that this thing is so moisturizing, like it's hella moisturizing, you guys, and it's cute. It's super clear. This is the type of clear glasses I like. I bought like a clear gloss off of a website, and it was not what I thought it was gonna be, but I had to keep using it because I wasn't just gonna like throw it away or anything. So usually what I do with my hair is I wherever my hair tie went, I just throw it up in a bun and I wear it in a bun all day. So let me do that. Bam, and we're done. So this is the look that I do when I'm home bored, because this quarantine has us all effed up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you are notified every single time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys next time.